Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Nestled in the quiet community of Shrewsbury, St. Elizabeth, off the Brompton Main Road, is this family style house with additional one bedroom unfurnished addition. Country style living at its best, this is where neighbors greet one another with warmth and friendliness and share their agricultural produce with each other. Grounds are abuzz with fruit trees and open space where children can run and play. It's also a charming environment after a hard day's work. This house is 50 minutes to Black River. Transportation to all amenities close by, and the land area is approximately zero point 0.3 acres or 16,985 square feet of land. Make this lovely home yours today. Other features include mixed flooring, garden area, water tank, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, easy access, family oriented, private setting, quiet area, seniors oriented, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $173.4 thousand dollars. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.